Consider the graph of the parallelogram shown in the coordinate plane below. Does coordinate P or coordinate Q have a greater number? So to answer this, we're going to think about how you would get to point P and how we get to point Q. Now remember, oops, let me grab my brush quick. If I'm looking at P, it is in the X spot because X comes first. And if we're looking at Q, it's in the Y spot. So for P, we're going to look at the X line. So P would be about right there on the X line. And since it's right there, that means I had to go into the negatives to get to P. So P, we don't necessarily, we could figure out the number, but we definitely know that P is a negative. Okay, so for right now, let's just leave it at that. P is a negative number. Then for Q, Q is the Y value, so let's look over here where it would be on the Y line. It would be right here. Now if we start here, it's going up to get to that point on the Q line. So that means Q is would have to be a positive number. Okay, so do I have to figure out the exact values of both of them? No. I know that P is negative. I know that Q is positive. Because to get to P, you go to the left, which is negative, and to get to Q, you go up, which is positive. So, which one is greater? Q.